The floor is yours.
Thanks. So before I start with the first exercise and introduce the genome browser, I just would like to give a brief recap of what we've done yesterday. I hope all of you can see my screen.
Yes.
So Nupo provided the schedule, but if you don't have the schedule, remember you can always go to the help section and go to workshops. And here's our workshop, but there are lots of previous workshops. We've discussed that yesterday. In case you are interested in a fungi workshop, just have a look at old workshops. So here's our workshop information and schedule. And what we've done yesterday was 3 exercises. You learned how to use site search, and we used for this PlasmaDB, and you were looking for kinases, and you were able to filter the search. We also had a gene page exercise, and hopefully you got to enjoy that. Our gene pages have a plethora of information that you can look at and find out information about your gene from location, from Go terms, from synteny. So there's a vast amount of information on gene pages. And you saw for the first time we had AI, which is a new feature which we provide as a beta feature where you can get a summary of the transcriptomics data. So hopefully you got to appreciate that as well. And finally, after the break, we had the search strategy exercise. This is something that's quite unique to VEuPathDB, where you can ask complex questions and get at one search after the next to ask really complex questions. And you've done that with Plasmodium vivax. You looked at Plasmodium genes. I think these were proteases in vivax. And you wanted to know in which stage they are expressed, if they had SNPs in a certain area. And so hopefully we will use these search strategies on the last day quite a lot. But what we are going to do today, and we will have 2 exercises. The first one is a genome browser basic exercise where you learn how to get around in a genome browser. And the second one is you will be exploring gene models. And Omar and others have talked about this yesterday. So you should never trust a gene model. Before you start working on a gene model or go to in a lab or do anything on a gene model, just look at the available evidence. Is this really correct? Should that be a different methionine? Is this in the correct? Is the frame correct where it is? So all of this, we will go into groups. Each group will get 3 genes to assess and see if the gene model is correct. And finally, after we've discussed these exercises, there will be a short demo on showing you a tool called Apollo. So Apollo is very similar to JBrowse, but has the added functionality of that you can correct gene models. And this is very easy to do and very intuitive. And hopefully you will see that after the demo. And I think we end with question answers, but there's also, Omar is going to show you how you upload your own data in VEuPathDB. So all I want to say to today, so 2 exercises and 1 optional exercise, which you can do in your own time.